Alright, so Mark 7.5, full 85 ethanol content we're running on this GTI, and all we did was just upgrade the fuel pump. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. Let's pop the hood. And it is located right underneath this, so we'll pop this off. We'll put that to the side for now. So high pressure fuel pump, that is what you see right here with the sticker. This is what you need in order to go full 85 on the Mark 7 GTI. It's kind of an easy install, you can do it yourself, but it's also kind of tricky. One tip I can definitely give you is for this back tab right here to remove the sensor. I couldn't for the life of me figure out why it wasn't popping out. Self-explanatory though, you stick a screwdriver or like a pin in that hole right there and you'll basically hear it unclick, and then you can just slide it off. And then 17mm for that bottom nut there. But yeah, there it is. Mods are catless downpipe back there, front mount intercooler there, and modified airbox with a silicone hose. That's it. Just that with full 85, and man oh man, I'll tell you now, this thing really does pull much harder. Now it's time to take it for a quick spin, and the revision is about like 70 to 80% complete, so there's still a little bit more that they can squeeze through in there, but we're gonna take it for a quick spin and see how we feel about it. I'm gonna keep reminding you guys, 6-speed every time you come and visit the channel if you're new to it. GSGs are pretty good, but 6-speed is much more engaging. Set in the eco mode and change it back to sport. Cool, so now we're in sport mode. You hear the pops already. Woo! Man, this thing pulls. That was only about 18 PSI. Second gear. Let's get a little bit of third gear, guys. Let's hit into the boost real quick. Holy shit. Oh, it's fast. It's pretty fast. Okay, so it just wants to keep pulling. Definitely feel more top end, and there's more torque in the mid-range there. If you're on 91 octane, top end, it's kind of non-existent. When you do the E30, it kind of, you gain a little bit more. But with the E85, you feel a complete difference. The power band just feels much more linear. From the moment you hit boost about 3 to about close to the red line. STI. And man, it pulls pretty hard. Jumping from E30 over to full ethanol is pretty damn interesting. First thing, you feel a lot more torque in the mid-range. Second thing is you feel more top end. So you get the best of both. Ethanol is also pretty cheap. It does burn 30% quicker, so. However, ethanol is much cheaper. Right now, I get it for about $1.85 a gallon, so I can't complain about that. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. Quick, short video.